What's up, y'all? So today your boy had to give himself a haircut because with all this going on in the world, I haven't been able to go to the barbershop in over a month. So what y'all think? How I do? I think I did all right. But with that being said, it is a perfect time for you guys who do need a haircut to learn how to cut your hair yourself. And that's what I did today. I went to YouTube, I found a barber who gave self-tutorials, actually 2 barbers. And I just watched the videos and I kind of just followed the tutorials and I did the best I could. Hey, it's not the perfect haircut, but it's better than nothing. So for all y'all fellas out there that's trying to stay fresh during the stay-at-home lockdown or whatever, because mostly all the barbershops are closed, just about. I know out here, you can't go to the barbershop. So those that watch my channel, you know that the channel name is Rituals, which stands for Daily Practice of Building Wealth. And with that being said, my channel is about car content, sneaker reviews, and money, financial tips. So this is also a perfect opportunity for all the barbers out there who barbershop is closed down due to COVID-19, who can't work, who can't go cutting hair. Yo, this is the perfect opportunity for you to cut your own hair, do tutorials for people how to cut hair, film yourself, create a YouTube channel, and work on getting subscribers to beat the threshold to monetize your channel. So this right here is an opportunity for all barbers out there to teach people how to cut their hair via YouTube and monetize your channel by putting advertisements on your channel. So I hope that helps some of you barbers out. Those that are listening, once again, this is an opportunity to teach people how to cut their hair during COVID-19 and use YouTube or Facebook. Create a business Facebook page and upload videos to the Facebook page. They do advertisements too, and you will get paid that way. You have to meet certain thresholds, so many watch hours, so many subscribers, but don't focus on that. Just focus on helping people how to accomplish cutting their hair. The subscribers and the followers will come, and you shall get some money eventually based off your tutorials. For all the barbers out there, you got skills, you know what you're doing. Teach the world how to cut their hair via video. It's a great way to make money. Now back to this video. It's not open at all. So if you're trying to get a haircut, this is the perfect time to learn how to do it yourself, because you ain't really got to be out. Nobody can really see you. So if you mess up, you just mess up and you just fix it. You let your hair grow some more and then you fix it. So with that being said, I'm going to leave the video to the barbers YouTube channels that I used today. And I'm also going to show you guys the products that I used via picture. I'm going to leave a picture so you guys can see the products that I used. So before I forget, some of you guys are probably saying, I don't have clippers. Well, got that covered for you. Click the link in the description below. I left the link for some Andy's clippers. They cost less than $20 and you can get shipped to your house from via Amazon.com. So you don't have to go to Amazon.com. You can just click the link below and you can get yourself a pair of Andy's clippers and a 20 kit set of everything that I used today. So you can get yourself started by cutting your hair today, by clicking that link, getting yourself a pair of clippers, and you'll be good to go. Now back to the video I used. And also, go get your Rich by Rick Ross hair products. Greatly appreciate it. Use that link. I'm going to leave in the description below. If you're watching on YouTube, I'm going to leave the link in the comment section below. So go get your Rich by Rick Ross hair products. Got that gel, got the shaving cream, got the beard spray, beard oil. So yeah, and all orders over $49 is free shipping. And if you use Amazon Prime, you automatically get free shipping. So once again, hope you guys are staying safe, stay home. Just trying to help some of y'all out like I was helping myself out. Like I said, I need a haircut really, really bad. So sometimes you gotta take matters into your own hands. You know what I'm saying? So one love, you guys stay prayed up. Thank you guys who did subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you haven't, go to YouTube, subscribe to the channel, click the link below, turn the notification bell, all that good stuff, so you'll stay in the loop when I post new videos. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys have an awesome Sunday. And go check out that MJ special on ESPN tonight. The Last Dance. Put on your Michael Jordan gear. Put on your Michael Jordan gear. Matter of fact, I go put on some shoes. So, yeah, got a shoe review video coming out for you guys real soon. Them Jordan DMPs. Stay tuned. Like I said before, stay in, stay prayed up, look out for one another, and y'all have an awesome Sunday. Peace.